Hello everyone, welcome back to Say Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoking Mirrors from the 17th to 21st of November 2025 on Monday. Jason faces a political pressure and must negotiate with Zolethu at the depot. Petunia uncovers more letters doubting her marriage, while Tim's business thrives after a successful hotel presentation on Tuesday. A minister reprimands Jason as Zolethu refuses his bribe and gives an ultimatum, forcing Jason to step back. Mamiki tries to confront Petunia while Tim's new business begins to take off on Wednesday. Zolethu takes full control of the depot as Jason reluctantly signs. Petunia pressures Thandiswa over Sakile while Tim struggles selling to depot workers but gains support from friends at the hotel on Thursday. Martha scolds Jason as Zolethu restructures the depot, cutting Jason's pay to fund worker raises. Petunia questions her marriage while Tim struggles selling fake Umazulu shirt despite initial success. On Friday, Zolethu is alarmed by a distress call about Thandiswa. Petunia struggled to reach Mandwa while Tim's and Sipho use guerrilla tactics to sell their clothes after Martha kicks them out of the hotel. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.